Thank you so much guys for visiting my channel. This is Charlie. Today, I'm here to tell you about Haiti and to show you a side of Haiti they don't show you on TV. They don't want you to see on TV. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Haiti is called La Perle des Antilles, in French, the Pearl of the Antilles, because of its natural beauty. There are many mountains in Haiti. This name, Haiti, has been given by the Indian, means a country with many mountains. Haiti has many natural resources like gold, bauxite, copper, power, arable, land, and others. Haiti has many good harbors for ships and also has strategic value. A reference not only to the wealth generated throughout coffee and sugar production, but also to the natural riches found throughout the country's land. Tourists are drawn to its breathtaking beauty, food, culture, people, and amazing history. Between 2013 to 2018, Haiti had over 1 million foreign visitors each year, 1.3 million in 2018. Number of visitors reduced since 2020, but still hundreds of thousands are drawn there. Tourism is a multi-billion-dollar industry in Haiti, $620 billion in 2018. Haitian people is an amazing people. Haitian food, there's no better food on earth than Haitian food. Haitian music, named the Konpa, Haitian Konpa. Oh my God, best music ever. Toussaint L'Ouverture, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, Pétion, Henri Christophe. These are Haitian heroes. But the father of the nation is Jean-Jacques Dessalines. Jean-Jacques Dessalines, le Grand.
On April 9, 1804, Dessalines issued an ordinance stipulating that divisional generals would order brigade generals to erect fortifications on the top of highest mountains. These fortifications were to be asylums in case of a new foreign invasion. Christophe built Fort Henry, which became Citadelle Henry. Pétion built Fort Jacques and Alexandre. Geffrard built the Citadelle des Platons. There are also 4 Cap Rouge, Bonnet Carré, Marfranc, Décidé, Doko, Culbuté, and Madame Fin du Monde. In the same year, General Capois completed Fort Trois Pavillons and built Fort du Ralliement and more.
Myself
you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Stay with us on EL7 TV, where every moment comes alive.